Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You need clarity. Why do you want multiple addresses? Once done, use one verified Google account and either buy a domain or enable Google Workspace. Make sure billing and verification details match your legal information. This prevents suspensions. Also learn Gmail aliasing. Adding plus tags and dots will route mail to one inbox without creating new accounts. Start now by logging into your primary account and confirming domain ownership or workspace admin access, so you can create addresses legally and scalably. Next, implement aliases and workspace structure. Use plus addressing for purpose-specific addresses. It's immediate and keeps one account centralized. For truly separate identities, create workspace users or email groups under your domain. These are managed centrally and comply with Google policies. Once done, set filters and labels to auto-sort incoming mail and grant delegated access for team handling. Make sure to document each alias's purpose and retention rules so you avoid accidental mixing of business and personal messages. Finally, scale responsibly. Plan users against your workspace subscription and monitor quotas before adding more addresses. Make sure every account or alias has MFA-enabled and valid recovery options to prevent lockouts. Once done, automate onboarding with templates and check activity logs regularly. If you hit a limit or unexpected blocks, don't attempt circumvention. Instead, contact Google Workspace support or review admin audit logs to resolve policy or verification issues quickly and maintain good standing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.